So let's talk about the physics of sound. Sound travels at 700 miles per hour.
You have to study physics. Right. Now, physics and music are mutually exclusive, you know. But once you're dealing with the sound of music, you go in and dwell into the color between the subconscious and the conscious. So I find these areas intriguing in terms of when a person embodies music as a whole far more effectively. One of the phenomena in music is octaves. Why we hear octave, it turns out that we hear logarithmically, meaning that the human ear interprets sounds in increments. So,
disinhibited, they are sort of removed from these conditionings, and they're also removed from these phonological
conscious emotions, personality, and motivations, goals, and drive. But subliminals in and of itself